All right, I put the head on just to see if I've made it too small, and I haven't. And I haven't made it too big. And just to show you how different the size is between the one I started with, this is what it was before. And you can see that I was way off on my proportion on this head here. So this one is a scrap going back into the clay pot. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be working on is her face, and then I'll start working on her body and start doing the clothing. I hope today. All right, be right back. So I need to remove the head. Easy enough to do. And then I get my head out of the way here, and then put her head into the jig that I've made and tighten it up. Now I'm ready to work on her face. Camera aligned, and now I just need the lights in the right direction. Oh, and I put some monster clay in her eye sockets last week just to, because it's harder than, or stiffer than the monster clay, so it'll work well for doing eyes. All right, be right back. I've got several photographs that I've gotten off the web of young girls' faces, and I've went through hundreds of them on Pinterest this weekend, and you look for certain qualities in the face, and something that strikes you about their. Now, if I could just put it up there. Hold on, I'll be right back. I was looking for certain qualities in the face that struck me, and I literally went through hundreds of photographs to find these 3 or 4. I don't want a big smile. I want more of a Mona Lisa type smile, one that's barely there. trying to get the clay to stick is not always easy. As sticky as this stuff is, you'd wonder why it is that hard to get it to stick. Ah, crap. I'm going to use a little Roncinol lighter fluid to smooth things out a little bit. All right, I'm not a bit happy with the eyes that I've produced here, and it's driving me nuts. So I'm going to redo this tomorrow. It just wasn't working. And rather than waste more time on it, I'm going to call it quits for the day because my eyes, I can't even focus my eyes today for some reason. So anyway, I'll pick this up tomorrow. I had to lengthen her nose because I noticed when I started working on the eyes that there wasn't much length to her nose. What I did was I cut it and moved it down a little bit. All right, everybody. I know this is a disappointing Monday, but it doesn't always work. what I'm going to do is, before I go tonight, I'm going to make a couple of new eyeballs. If I can get my fingers to work. There we go. That's a little too small. I'm going to go ahead and paint the eyeballs, because that will stiffen them up for tomorrow. Once the paint dries, it actually creates a little harder surface on the monster clay. Alright, I'm going to let that sit overnight. I'm going to come back and reattack it and see if I can't do a better job tomorrow than I did today. Alright, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.